Poblano peppers are roasted. The skins are removed and they are then added to a food processor with lime juice, salt and pepper, garlic, sour cream, and cilantro or coriander. This is then blitzed. Half is going to be added to the chicken as a marinade and the other half will be used as a dip. Salt and avocado are added to the chicken and then the other half of the poblano mixture is spooned over the chicken so it's marinated in it on both sides. The marinated chicken is then added to a hot barbecue and cooked. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be going outside and we're going to get grilling. I'm going to be making chicken poblano. I love poblano peppers. They are not spicy and they have a great flavor. I'm going to be turning this poblano into a marinade as well as a dip. It's absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with the poblanos. These are the star of the dish. I will place these on my hot barbecue and allow them to blister. You can also do this over a hot flame. Once done, remove and cool. When the poblanos are cool, remove the skin. I use 3 poblanos for this recipe. This is roughly about 1 cup. I will add the juice of a lime, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cracked pepper, 6 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a half cup of cilantro or coriander. And I'm going to blitz this. In between, add some avocado oil and continue to puree. I've got my chicken here. This is boneless, bone-in thigh meat and I'm going to be using 2 pounds. I'm going to add salt to taste and about a tablespoon of avocado oil and I'm going to add half of the mixture. Marinate this well on both sides. For best results, marinate this overnight. I'm now going to take this to my barbecue. Cook this on both sides till the chicken is done. And then serve it with the dipping sauce. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, that you've rung the bell. I really hope to hit 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Hope that you can help me get there. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. As you know, I love hearing from you. Also, make sure to share them with your family and friends. And follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.